things I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper of the Day, live from Italy, by the way, November 14th. It's Friday, and yeah, we are below massive dark pool prints, especially that 671 level, right? We had 5, 10, 79, 10, 11, 17 million. We just went below this morning. We were below, I think, 20 more before we got here this morning. So hopefully you guys do have some protection on. For the day trade, we were bullish above 672. Let me just see. We did go down lower after I mapped this out. So let me just see if there might be another level if we do rally. If we rally above this S1 level, which is at 668.09, yeah, if you want to scalp in there, absolutely. 668.25, yeah, go for it. Yep, for a scalping trade. If we could break back above here, let me just zoom in here, this S1. You know, it's going to be a bit of a brick wall, and then scalp your way up. Yeah, this morning I was trying to get you into this pocket, but you might be able to get there. We were bearish below 667.50. Obviously, we went down and we hit a couple of targets, but 665, next big level. All right, let's head on over to the IWM because we closed below massive dark pool prints yesterday on this guy. We do have a pretty big pocket right here. Let's see if it can hold on to that 100 simple moving average. If not, it could be a quick move down to 230. Let me just share the pivots with you as well so you really get the big picture of what we're looking at. But yeah, down to 233. So we were bearish below 234.75. That triggered. Now 234 is our next level, and then 233 would be our next level. But see all my targets all the way down. I went all the way down to 229.92. All right, because I wanted to capture that pocket. Let's check out the well, bullish above 239. Let's go to the QQQs. All right, we were bullish above 606 earlier and 25 cents. Bear below 601.50. So I know I'm going to have to find another level for you guys. Yeah, give me a sec. Let's check out what pivots we bounced off. We just bounced off this S2 level. So I'd say to go bear below that. So that's at 598.83. So let's go bear below 598.75. All right, we like to use that 3/4 level. Put your stop at 599.01. So risking 25 cents to make at least $1 on that trade to the downside. To the upside, though, could we scalp? Yeah, above 602. I like to look at the VWAP. Where did most of the volume happen pre-market? And then I like to go to a strong level above that for a scalping trade. So that would probably be 602 up to 603.61. All right, for the bull trade. Let's head on over to the E-minis. Yeah, it's tough on mornings where we get big movement and I'm mapping them out. Again, this is why learning how to do this is a great gift I could give to you guys. We're bullish above 67.50, bear below 67.05. That already triggered. So 66.80. All right, bear below 66.80. There's a pretty big pocket here as well. All right, still gunning for that one. Let's go to the NASDAQ futures. We were bullish above 25.025, bear below 24.800. And by the way, if you're in our trading rooms, you can ask me at any time during the day as long as I'm here. Hey, Steph, what's your next level? Bear below, bullish above, and I'd be happy to help you out. But on the NASDAQ futures, bear below 24,800, already triggered, so 700, can't do that because we have a Camarilla right here. 24,675 is our next level. All right, let's go to oil. Oil's strong today in relation to everything else. Yeah, it's not up slightly. Bullish above 60.50 and bear below 59.50. Gold moving with the market. Bullish above 42.05, bear below 41.25, which we did go below. And I got to find a new level, don't I? Yeah. Hold on a minute. Let me just pull it up. Yeah, these pivots are so important. They change every day and they're amazing. So I would say below this is a huge pocket, 40.70. So bear below 40.70 on the gold futures. Okay. Let's go to Bitcoin futures. They're also taking a big dive down. Bullish above 98,250, bear below 96,000, already triggered. And we did come down. We talked about this yesterday in the room. This was the trade down to that 400 simple moving average. So I do expect a bounce in this area. You know, take your profits if you're short. You know, definitely scaling equals happiness. As far as the next trade below that, I'd say 90. I'd say below S2. I like it to go bounce, pull up again, then test it again. And if it goes below that big moving average, then there's a big move, a much bigger move down. All right. So I'd say 93,750. Okay. Let's go to some individual stocks. We got IBIT. Bullish above 55.50, bear below 54.40, already triggered. We still have some more room to go here. So 53 is our next level. Okay, let's go to Tesla. Bullish above 391, bear below 384, just triggered. So 383 is our next, or 382.50, either or, depending on the time of the day. Just keep in mind the first 15 minutes is the shakeout period. So try to wait until at least 9:45, okay? NVIDIA, bullish above 183.50, bear below 178. I give a little bit more room to that one. Hasn't triggered yet. RGTI, bullish above 25, bear below 23.50, just triggered. 23 is our next level. Then we got PLTR, bullish above 168, bear below 164.50, already triggered. So 163, next level. Or 162.50, another really good level. Okay. Then we got AMAT after earnings, bullish above 212 for the drop and pop scenario, bear below 207.50. And green, TLT. Is, yeah, money going into bonds today. Well, bullish above 90.20, bear below 89, and there you have it. Those are your whispers for Friday, November 14th. Until next time, come and join us. Check out our interactive trading rooms. We map these out live every day. Do a morning meeting. You can ask questions and get help and trade with some amazing people. Go to thedarkpools.com. Happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.